Beautiful day here in Den Haag, and today I'm gonna be doing a repot of juniper. Let me show you. This juniper right here. So today I'm gonna do this juniper. It's the last tree that I have to repot this season. And there's already a video of this tree, and if you haven't watched it, I'll put the link in the description in here above. It's the tree that I got from my parents-in-law. They would throw it away, and I did this clump style, first time styling, and as you can see, the tree has grown a lot. So this was the first style. I will show you right here, and now the juniper is completely out of shape, but this is good because we need this foliage for the recovery. So what we will do, I'll take out of this basket and starting with chopping off some of the soil. So let's do that first. Since the root ball was very compact, I haven't wired the tree down on the basket. It was just sitting loose. This tree is quite big. And the pot that I want to fit in is this very small oval pot. And I want to do this as you can see, just 2 fingers deep. It's a little bit of a risk, but it will be very nice if the tree survives on this pot, because then we can really try to compact that the foliage, and that the foliage will be less big as it is right now. So to do this repot, I'll have a lot of tools that I will be using. I will use my axe, this saw, a knob cutter maybe, I need it, wire to tie down the tree on the new pot, because that will be necessary. Some screens for the holes in the pot, a root scissor, and of course our chopsticks. So let's start by checking out where the front will be and how the seed will be situated in this container, because it will be quite a challenge to move this size of a tree inside of here. But I want to keep the root ball as compact as possible and don't tease too much. So what I will do is, with the axe and the saw, I'll cut around it and try to already have the shape that we want. And of course we have to keep in mind that I have this will be the front with a slightly angle to this side, so we will need to cut the tree a little bit on diagonal like this, so that it will fit the pot. So I just finishing with the axe and the saw, cutting off all the roots. This might seem like an extreme operation, but this is how you do the least amount of damage to the roots, because then the roots that stay with the tree are still untouched and not damaged. So you can see we still have a lot of roots, and what I will do right now is tease with the chopstick, and then I will position the tree, fixate it, and then we'll see the end result together. So here we are at the last step of this video, which is fixating the tree inside of the pot, on top of the pot. So I have here a sphagnum moss prepared. I don't know if you can see it, in a bucket of water, and I have the tree ready to be placed. We have to take into account our front again, which is here, like this. I prepared some soil earlier today, so I will put a layer of soil on the pot. So what I'm doing right now is trying to see how to adjust the tree. So since the tree will be sitting here for a very, very long time, at least 2 to 3 years, we need to make sure that we try to hit the angle that we want as good, as perfect as possible. So that's what I will do right now. I will adjust until I think the angle is the way that I like it. So now the last step of this video is to finish up covering the soil. As you can see, because of the angle of the tree, we could not place the tree completely flat into the container, and this is okay. We can handle this as if it is on a slab, like a rock planting. So what I will do is use sphagnum moss and a little bit of soil in between to fill in the gaps, especially on this side over here where we have this root sticking out. We will make kind of a wall here. So here we are with the final result. The tree looks a little bit like a bush right now, but we really need the foliage to recover the roots, and we still have a lot of room on this side to grow more roots. and then in 3 years we can come back and repot it again and see how the roots grow on the down on the pot, and then we can reduce this area over here. And for now I think it's a very nice result, and we'll see how this tree recover. I'll keep you posted. I hope it will recover soon. I will try to keep from the direct sun, put in a place where it only gets the morning sun, and watch it carefully during this summertime, so that this is still that doesn't get too dry out. And it was a little bit risky, but I really like the result. And then next year, or maybe already in the end of this year, but I think I will do it the beginning of the spring of next year, I will restyle the tree, so I will let it grow this whole summer again, and see how it will recover, and maybe and then in the next spring we can come back and rewire it again, take this wire off and rewire it again, and maybe I will already take the wire off in the winter of this year, and then I will post a new video taking off the wire, and then we can see how the tree is doing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and comment below. If you have any questions, let me know. And I see you next time in Bonsai Den Haag.